Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith in for Rob. It is Thursday, March 19th, 2026. Hope you're doing well. All right, folks. So I had a great day in the WealthCharts live training room. I just want to kind of go over what we were looking at here at the 9:30 open. So this candle right here, here's the 9:30 open. And what I mentioned at the time was that statistically, we're probably going to bounce. And what I mean by that is we were here, the point of control's up here, and the 4 p.m. gap was up here from yesterday's close of 4 p.m. And so it doesn't mean it's always going to happen. It doesn't mean it happens right away. But what it does typically mean is that there is like a magnet and that price wants to navigate to the upside here in this case. So after the initial wick down, getting people short more than likely, we had a really nice bounce to the upside. Didn't fill the gap yet at the time of this video. But again, statistically, this bounce was something that we were looking for in the WealthCharts live training room. And so how do we play that then? So if I go back here to the 1 minute chart, we can see here. So again, just to give you reference, this is 9:30. We had that move down. But then we had, again, the move back in the direction of where the gap was. Okay, I don't take that first initial move, but we then have the pullback, and then right here was the entry back in the direction of the trend. Again, grabbing that momentum, TRP cross as well. Had an early Laguerre trigger here back in the direction of the uptrend. And again, if the thought was, maybe we'll come fill that gap, didn't quite happen at that time, but I got 30 ticks out of that and got out. Okay. Then again, going back to the volume profile, we started seeing all of these wicks here, folks. So again, right here is the 9:30. We started seeing all these wicks. So all these sellers were coming in right at the VWAP and pushing price down. So then again, going back in the direction of the larger time frame, what we were looking for here, this is a 5-minute chart on the NASDAQ. Right here where I said short. So we were in a downtrend. We had the retracement. We took the long on the 1 minute earlier, right? But then we got all these wicks. And the bigger picture we were looking to buy is to the short side here. This was a larger trade for me. I got out at plus 50 ticks to the short side. So again, you can take it in both directions. I'm following the trends, short-term trends, longer-term trends, but having a plan of action. I absolutely love these wicks here as we stayed into that sell zone. So again, if you're interested, come on, join WealthCharts Live Training Room. You click on the hamburger menu, you go to Education, WealthChart Events, put that on your screen there. Let me delete this out to show you. And then you can see tomorrow, which is Friday, I'll be in at 9:30 Eastern. So come join me, folks. Hope to see you there, and good luck in your trading. Take care now.